This is a simple LabVIEW code for flashing two indication lamps. First, I will place two indicator lamps on the front panel. Let's make them the same size. Though this is not mandatory, I am doing this for symmetry. Now let's go to the backend code. Here I will make the indicator symbols look like icons first. Next, I will use a flat sequence structure so that I can process each action in sequence. I will also add one more sequence frame to accommodate two sequences. In the first sequence, I will place the first lamp, and in the second sequence, I will place the second lamp. While the first sequence is executing, I want the first lamp to be on and the second lamp to be off. To achieve this, I will use a true-false constant and connect them accordingly. To keep the sequence running, I will add a while loop with a stop control button. Since I haven't specified an on-off time in any sequence frame, both lamps are blinking at the scan time rate. Now I will add a wait time control to manage the loop execution. I will set the waiting time to 500 milliseconds for each sequence. Let's run the program and check. Both lamps should now blink at a rate of 500 milliseconds. Now let's change the wait time to 1000 milliseconds, i.e. 1 second. See that both lamps are flashing at a rate of 1 second. It is that simple to create such a code in LabVIEW.